It is my honor to welcome to the stage an advocate who leads innovative environmental education initiatives to foster ocean protection in Indonesia and beyond. Brigitta Gunawan. Oh my goodness. Yay, we love you, Brigitta. Organizes science-based programs, including coral reef and mangrove restoration efforts, and school-wide ocean education campaigns. She's inspired by the hard work and determination of people on the front lines, youth, indigenous communities, local heroes, and experts who are working tirelessly towards a better world. And in so doing, she inspires us. Please, let's meet Brigitta.
I thought I had been seeing the world in color. I'd been underwater before. I knew what it was like to explore that mysterious world below the surface. But then I visited my first marine protected area. I was surrounded by color, the bright orange and greens of the corals, the deep blues of the water, the vibrant marine life. This was what our ocean was supposed to look like. It was magic. Before that, I might as well have been seeing the ocean in black and white. Indonesia is the heart of the Coral Triangle. The reefs don't just provide a home for marine life, they also sustain the entire ecosystem. And they're under attack. They're under attack from a rapidly changing climate, from overfishing, from marine pollution, from plastic waste. Local communities are trying to preserve the ocean. We're setting up more effective protected areas. We're implementing monitoring systems, but there's only so much we can do. When I first experienced my first marine protected area, I was changed. Now I want everyone to have that same eureka moment, to feel the same way I did. I want you all to see how beautiful it is to interact with nature and to live with a purpose greater than yourself. It will take many of us working together to save these precious ecosystems, to bring this world of black and white back to life in all its beautiful, vibrant, life-giving colors.